Here are 10 suggestions on how to utilize ChatGPT to enhance your small business. 1. To enhance your customer support efficiency, use ChatGPT to provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries. 2. Create engaging blog posts, social media updates, and marketing content with ChatGPT's assistance, saving time and maintaining a consistent online presence. 3. Brainstorm ideas. Generate innovative ideas for products, services, or marketing campaigns through concept discussions with ChatGPT. 4. Market research. Ask ChatGPT about industry trends, customer preferences, and market insights to refine your business strategy. 5. Product descriptions. Create engaging and informative product descriptions highlighting features and advantages, leading to better conversions. 6. Email communication. Develop custom email templates to reach out to prospective clients, partners, or investors to improve the effectiveness of your communications. 7. SEO optimization. Get suggestions from ChatGPT on keywords, meta scripts, and content structure to enhance the visibility of your website. If you get any value from this video, hit the like button. 8. To maintain a vibrant online presence, make sure to plan out social media calendars, captions, and hashtags with ChatGPT. 9. Business planning. Discuss your business goals, strategies, and challenges with ChatGPT to refine your business plan and adapt to changing circumstances. 10. ChatGPT can help you develop your professional skills by helping you learn about new business techniques, management practices, and industry insights. It's important to combine ChatGPT's suggestions with your expertise and critical thinking to achieve optimal results, even if ChatGPT provides valuable assistance. Join the movement for financial independence and self-employment by subscribing today.